A lot of times I come across a mentee or someone messaging the Facebook page saying that they do not know what to do about their freelancing career, or they really want to go freelancing but they're not sure how to start or what to do and things like that. And even if those things are actually very, very much searchable on Google, like for example, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel didn't actually exist at all, you will still be able to find the answers. And the reason why you are holding yourself back from taking action to your goal of becoming a highly paid freelancer, or even just trying things out in freelancing, is because you are scared. And that's completely fine and normal. And today we're going to talk about how you can overcome them slowly but surely, so you can start taking action in your dreams, and hopefully before 2020 you can either decide to become a freelancer or not. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. When I was starting out as a freelancer, like you, I was actually very fearful. When my boyfriend told me that I should make book covers for other people, the very first thing that came out of my mouth was that no one is ever going to buy a book cover from me. I am a horrible designer. I don't even know principles in design. I did not have a degree in graphic design. People are going to criticize my book covers. I'm not going to be able to take in real clients because they wouldn't appreciate the things that I'd be doing, and I will never be good enough for them. Like, it was just all these reasons in my head, excuses that were slowly consuming me. But the more I think about it, that time, it was a result of fear. I cannot even remember exactly what I specifically did to overcome that fear, but I think mainly it was because I was completely fine of trying. When you have the ability and persistence and determination to be okay and open-minded of trying things out, it will really get you to so many things and pleasures in life. Even if you just try it for a day, nothing's going to happen, and it's just a day of your entire life. You have like probably thousands and thousands more days to try different things, and it was just a matter of simply doing it. For me, the more I realize it now, the more I try to study these people that I come across with so much fear in them that is holding them back to becoming a highly paid freelancer, I realize that the only thing that you could do for yourself is just trying things out. You might be really fearful and you might be really terrified about trying things, but imagine this. If you are trying to do skydive and you look at other people on YouTube or on videos doing skydiving and just already closed your mind about skydiving, and you're like, there's no way I'm ever going to do that. There's no way I'll ever be skydiving. That is terrifying. It's good for them. You know, you already closed the doors and the possibilities of you being able to enjoy the pleasures of skydiving, just because you already made up your mind that you are not ever going to try skydiving. But when you are watching other people's videos about being able to skydive and the feeling of having the pleasure of intimate bliss when you are up in the air, you like it and you enjoy it, and how you wish you would be able to experience that. But just because you already closed your mind that you're never going to do skydiving, you will never do it at all. So if you just try things out and you do not completely shut yourself out from things or opportunities that are coming your way, and there's exactly a reason why you're watching this video, there's exactly a reason why you're in my Facebook page, because you wanted this. You wanted the things that I've been showing to you, the opportunities that are actually available in your hands, but because you are fearful, you don't know where to start. You don't know what to do. You don't even know if you should do it or not, just because it's all being clouded by your fear. So if there's anything that I can leave to you before I end this video, it's just one thing. Just do it. Remember the Nike sign. The only thing that's stopping you from becoming a highly paid freelancer is not even your fear. It's just trying things out. There's nothing wrong with trying. You will not commit a mistake in trying. You just tried it out. Just try it. Want to price yourself higher? Try it. Want to become a successful person? What are the things that you need to do to become a successful person? Create habits so you can become successful. Maybe you should try it. So just try, right? Try things out. And then later on, you would have the ability and the conclusion that what separated you from becoming a highly paid freelancer is all in here. So I hope you try things out, and I wish you the best. Bye.